Article 338 covers the installation requirements for service entrance cables. Section 338.10 outlines the general requirements for supports. Table 338.10b provides the maximum spacing of supports for SEU cable in various situations. Figure 338.10 illustrates the permitted clearances and support methods for SEU cable. Article 310 covers the installation requirements for conductors. Section 310.4 contains the requirements for paralleling conductors. Table 310.4 lists the minimum gauge conductors that can be run in parallel for a feeder phase. The smallest gauge conductors that can be paralleled for a feeder phase is #8 AWG. Article 300 covers the installation requirements for wiring methods and materials. Section 300.5 outlines the general requirements for underground installations. Table 300.5 provides the minimum burial depths for various types of underground installations. For RMC conduit carrying a 480 volts feeder under a roadway finished grade, the minimum burial depth is 6 inches.